Hi everyone, this is I from I.M.technet. I'm here to show you how to create your YouTube channel. Okay, as a beginner, you probably have many questions like when to start, how to start, and what to do to create your own YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step procedure on how you create your own YouTube channel. First, we need to understand Google's connection to YouTube. Okay, this is Google. Google is a parent organization of YouTube. Okay guys, this is the YouTube. YouTube is an American online video sharing platform headquartered in San Bruno, California. Three former PayPal employees, Judd Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jawed Karim, created the service in February 2005. Google bought the site in November 2006 for $1.65 billion US. As you can see guys, the Google is connected to YouTube. Jawed Karim posted the first ever video to YouTube, April 23, 2015. YouTube is a video sharing service where users can watch, like, share, and comment, and upload their own videos. And now guys, let's get started. Okay guys, these are the step-by-step procedures on how to create your own YouTube channel. Okay, first go to www.google.com and click on create your own Google account. First, this is the sign up page. Fill in all the boxes. Number 2, after you have filled in the boxes, click next. Number 3, complete this page and put your mobile number in. Recovery email address will help if you forget your password or get locked out of your account. Number 4, you will receive a verification code sent to your mobile phone. Type this code into the box. Just click agree. Number 5. Now you have Gmail account, follow the step to get into your YouTube page and make your YouTube channel started. And now you have Gmail account. Just follow the arrow so you know what to click. And then this part, just click next. Click OK. Click the YouTube icon. Your channel. Then if you want to put your picture or your profile, just click edit. Click add profile. Select photo from your computer. And then that's it. And you can resize your picture here. Click the YouTube icon. Click your picture, your channel, customize your cover photo. Just click it. Just follow the arrow, guys. Edit channel art. And then you can choose upload photos, your photos, or gallery from YouTube. And in this part, you can check all the details you need. For example, monetize with the YouTube Partner Program, and more. And that's it. Let's review. And guys, you can also change your name in your YouTube channel. And this is how it looks like in your mobile phone. Okay guys, if you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel so you will be updated for more upcoming videos for more ideas. No apps needed, all customized. How to create your YouTube art banner, animated subscribe button, how to create a GIF icon, and how to make animation in your YouTube, and more. Thank you everyone.